Hey, what's up guys? Matt from Motor King Madness. Today on the Focus ST, we're gonna throw on a Mountune rear motor mount. Okay, so first things first, we gotta get this thing up in the air. So let's do that. All right, so this is the area that we're gonna be working at. Here's the motor mount. So first things first, we have to get this off, which is a 13 mil. So socket here and a wrench back there. All right, so there's a nut right there that we have to get this bracket off. I already took that first nut off. All right, so we got that bracket off. So next, in the same spots behind where that bracket was, are two 15 mil. So you got one right here, you got one right back there that we have to take out, and then that'll release this bracket here. All right, I got those two bolts out. Next, we're gonna get this bolt out here, and then after that, we're gonna get that bolt out. So we got the two bolts there. There's one more bolt that holds that bracket on, and then we can remove that bracket. Now that bracket's out, now we just got the main bolt for the motor mount itself. All right, so we got it out. Look at the difference in quality of motor mounts. I mean, this thing here is just, wow, there's only 2 points of contact with that rubber. That is horrible. Okay, so here's the new motor mount. Now this part here, we get it to focus, goes down, okay? So hopefully your sticker will be up like that, but that part goes down. Okay, so I put the nuts back on the bracket. I got those started. Then I had to use a jack to get that bolt in because the holes wouldn't line up. Now I didn't put that bolt in. I didn't start that one. That way I have movement in the actual motor mount to be able to get everything started. So once you get to this point, then start buttoning up the front, and then you'll be able to, and then get all the bolts started at this point, and then tighten everything down. Okay, I started off with that bolt because that was gonna be the hardest one. Everything's all still, all these other bolts are started, so now just tighten them all up. All right, so I got this one, that one, and the one up here all tighten. The main one now is just this one, which that's a 19 mil. Just go ahead and tighten up that one. All right, so those are tightened. Now with this bracket here, I have no clue what this is for. It seems like it's missing something that was there before, so I'm gonna leave this off for now. I'm gonna do some research and see what was attached to this. But for now, this install is done. So real easy. I've been maybe 30 minutes into this, and yeah, she's done. I hate up here in Wisconsin how rusty the cars get. Horrible. Alright guys, so that concludes today's install. So it's real easy. I probably did this, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, even on a rusty car like this. So it was real easy. Make sure, you guys have to make sure that the M that is stamped in the actual mount itself is facing downward. It looks like it's slightly elevated if it's turned the opposite way, so just make sure you guys have that on right. All right guys, well, I hope you like this install. So we got many more to come. Yeah guys, if you guys like what I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. We will see you guys in the next video, and probably do an install of something. All right guys, Peace. Later.